not just snow and ice to worry about. Another big concern, actually, is frostbite.
Coast TV News reporter Drew Bellinger shows us the ins and the outs of recognizing the freezing injury.
As cold weather prepares to roll through town, fear of frostbite rises.
Really frigid temperatures that put people more at risk.
Bay health officials say untreated frostbite can have permanent effects.
If you actually start feeling tingling, things like numbness, if you look down at your fingers or you feel on your nose that might be kind of a whitish color, that's the time to get inside and get dry.
Dr. Fink mentioned that smokers or those with circulatory diseases are certainly at risk, and with bad enough conditions, frostbite can set in on exposed skin in just minutes. Dr. Fink tells me that while the symptoms will feel the same for everybody, the way it appears will differ depending on your skin tone and complexion.
Timelines would be the same depending on skin color and skin type. Obviously, with the darker complexion somebody has, the more difficult it might be to see redness or paleness. But that's where the feel comes in, that numbness, that tingling. Sometimes the skin can develop a leathery feel to it or a lack of sensation. Those are big warning signs. Definitely kind of get out of the cold at that point.
Fink says staying dry is crucial, as dried sweat from exerting yourself while clearing snow off cars can also pose a risk.
It is scary.
Jenna LaCruz, who opened up a coffee shop after moving from California, says she'll have to adjust.
I leave early, so I'm out super early, and I went out to the car and I had to scrape my windshield off, and it was more ice than snow. And it's interesting, my fingers were already tingling by the time I got back in. So knowing that it's going to be even lower and I have to come out super early, that is a concern.
With cold winter weather on the way, protect those fingers and toes so that a bad few days don't lead to a more permanent problem. In Millsboro, Drew Bellinger, Coast TV News.